Hey coders, ever wonder how you can supercharge your VS Code with OpenAI Codex? Well, buckle up because today I am going to walk you through how to get Codex CLI up and running inside your VS Code, and trust me, it's going to be a game changer for your coding workflow. Let's dive right in. Alright, first thing, open up your VS Code. Got it? Cool. Now hit that extension button on the left side, and in the search bar type Codex. And now here's the trick. Make sure you pick the official Codex extension by OpenAI. You don't want to mess around with imposters. Once you have gotten the right one, hit the install button and let that process work its magic. When it's done, you will see the Codex icon in the top right corner. Click it and boom, Codex will pop up in the left menu. Codex CLI isn't for free trial users, so you need to have at least a ChatGPT Plus subscription. No worries, just log in with your ChatGPT account and you are in. Once you are in, Codex will take you on guided tour. We'll see how it works both in your local environment and the cloud. Now that we are all set up, let's take a look at the top menu. You have got three options: start a new chat, check your history, and open settings. Inside settings, you can connect an MCP fancy term for configuration and see keyboard shortcuts and even fine-tune advanced settings. Now let's take a look at the bottom menu. This is where you can control where Codex runs locally or in the cloud. You can even adjust the reasoning effort from light to high. Though, pro tip, keep it at medium unless you are working on some serious brain-busting code, because high reasoning means slower execution. Okay, now the fun begins. I am going to jump into agent mode. This is where Codex really flexes its muscles and asks the Codex to create a simple-to-do app with some styling, authentication, and even a database. But before I hit enter, here's a pro tip. Be specific with your prompts. The more context you give Codex, the better your result. It's like asking a genie for exactly what you want instead of which. I wish for more wishes kind of day. Oh, and if you see submit button grayed out, just make sure you open the folder in VS Code or create a new one. Codex needs to know where to put the magic. Hit the enter button and see some magic happen. You will see Codex working in real time, checking off tasks as it goes. You don't even have to sit there twiddling your thumbs. Go ahead and work on something else. Codex will finish the job for you. And when it's done, you get a working to-do app right in your browser. You can add tasks, delete them, and even log in and log out. It's all there, working like a charm. And that's how you use Codex in VS Code. Pretty cool, right? But don't just stop there. Play around with it and get creative and see how much you can automate your coding tasks. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your fellow developers. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. And I'll see you in the next one.